five-judge constitution bench that was considering the pros and cons of sending Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid Ayodhya title dispute case for mediation, finally taking a decision to reserve its order on mediation because there was much resistance and objection raised by the two petitioners, that's the Nirmohi Akhada and Ram Lalla. Ankit Tyagi, in fact, is also with me tracking this case very closely. So a big development, Ankit, a lot of resistance to the suggestion that was put forth by the Supreme Court, with the Supreme Court being left with no choice and reserving its order on mediation. Ankit, before I come to you, the lawyer is reacting. My apologies, I'll just come to you in a bit.
का समय बर्बाद ना हो और इस पूरे मामले पर कोर्ट का फैसला है।
लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने तो ये जो 8 हफ्ते के लिए सुनवाई टाली थी, उस बीच में ये एक प्रयास किया। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा भी अगर बाहर हो सकता है तो इसमें बुराई क्या है? नहीं,
माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का ये मत है कि हम इस 8 सप्ताह के अंदर में प्रयास करते हैं कि किसी मामले पर अगर सहमति बन जाती है, और सहमति से चूंकि एक बड़ा मुद्दा है, यह मुद्दा सिर्फ टाइटल डिस्प्यूट का नहीं है, यह मुद्दा लोगों के फेथ से जुड़ा हुआ है। अगर कोई सहमति बनती है तो इससे अमन चैन आएगा पूरे मुल्क में और बहुत बड़े लार्जर इश्यू को। लेकिन जो अनुभव हम लोगों का है कि पहले भी मुस्लिम पक्ष इसके लिए तैयार नहीं हुए और अब भी वो समय को जाया करना चाहते हैं। हम लोग समय को अब आगे बर्बाद नहीं करना चाहते।
आपसे ये जानना चाहूंगा, 3 में
मीडिएशन फोर्स नहीं कर सकता। इसमें यह भी कहा गया कि मीडिएशन और आर्बिट्रेशन में कुछ नियम बताए गए और यह बताया गया कि इसके कोर्ट तय करे। कोर्ट का प्रस्ताव आया है मीडिएशन का, लिहाजा कोर्ट खेल के नियम तय करेगी।
देखिए, कोर्ट खेल के नियम तय कर सकती है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजमेंट भी कहते हैं, पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट अभी इस मामले की सुनवाई कर रही है कि क्या वो इस मैटर को मीडिएशन के लिए भेजेगी या नहीं भेजेगी।
कोर्ट में यह भी सवाल उठा कि अगर मीडिएशन होता है तो समाज को कैसे समझाया जाएगा, क्या समाज।
यही आर्गुमेंट हिंदू महासभा का सुप्रीम कोर्ट के सामने था कि अगर मीडिएशन होता है तो क्या ये मीडिएशन सारे समाज को बाइंड करेगा। जस्टिस चंद्रचूड़ ने भी यही ऑब्जर्वेशंस किए और जिसपे आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपना फैसला रिजर्व।
एक आखिरी सवाल कि अगर कोर्ट अपने फैसले में ये बताता है कि हाँ मीडिएशन आगे बढ़े तो हिंदू महासभा क्या मीडिएशन का?
देखिए, मीडिएशन का हम पार्ट बनेंगे, पर मीडिएटर के सामने भी विरोध करेंगे कि इस मैटर में मीडिएशन नहीं हो सकता।
यानी मीडिएशन में शामिल तो होंगे लेकिन
All right, a very important point there. Supreme Court finally reserving its order on mediation. Ankit Tyagi is with me. Let me finally go to Ankit now. Ankit, a lot of reactions coming in. The five-judge constitution bench that was, headed by the Chief Justice of India, taking into the consideration the resistance by the two other parties. And to be fair, mediation attempts have been explored in the past. They have failed, and therefore perhaps the Supreme Court being left with no other choice but to reserve its order on mediation.
Well, the difference this time, Avantika, is that the Supreme Court, when this was asked that, this already has been explored, this option, the court very clearly said that this is going to be a court-monitored mediation. B, yes, it will be not a single individual like last time, Sri Ravi Shankar tried, in fact, this mediation. It will be a panel that is going to do this whole mediation process. The Supreme Court and the Chief Justice has also asked for all the 3 sides to suggest the mediators. A panel will be formed which will be under the monitoring of the Supreme Court, and that panel is going to take this process forward. Other interesting aspects of this is now, Avantika, is that you heard the Hindu Mahasabha and the Hindu, lawyer, those who was speaking at this point of time, Vishnu Jain. He said that A, there has to be a notification, and B, we may be part of the mediation, but that is not binding. We are not going to go only by what the result of the mediation is. So that ambiguity possibly will only be settled once the Supreme Court comes out with a detailed judgment on this. The Chief Justice of India, Ranjan Gogoi, also making it very clear that the court wants this matter to be resolved as quickly as possible.
Absolutely. Our legal correspondent Anisha is also joining us. Anisha, why is it that the 2 other contesting parties were hesitant to explore the possibility of mediating and find an amicable solution to this? Because we just heard from the lawyers what exactly happened. The Supreme Court was hoping that all of these options could be considered. It was really pushing for an amicable solution and was urging the parties to have a mediation. What happened? Why did the Supreme Court reserve its order on mediation?
Well, Avantika, this hearing has been very, very interesting, with the Supreme Court, of course, saying that we want an amicable solution. This is not a dispute between 2 persons. It's a matter of it's an issue between 2 communities. And what we want is some sort of healing of heart and mind. And that is a direct quote from one of the judges, that we want a healing of heart and mind and we want an amicable solution.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.